According to a website, fred.stlouisfed.org, the average housing price that house sold in America last year was around $492,300. To put it into perspective, that is 10 times the average American salary. As a researcher and an author of a book called Nizam, I know how housing market works and why the prices are getting higher. As a human being, housing is a basic necessity of everyone, and everyone has a right to own a house. Today, I'm going to discuss the potential solution of the expensive housing market problem. In today's speech, I'm going over to the problem behind the expensive housing, what are the causes behind the expensive housing, and finally, what are the potential solution. There are multiple reasons behind expensive housing market. In one study on a website, pbs.org, there are not enough houses for sale or being built is one of the reasons why the prices of the housing are higher. In another studies, on a website, cnn.com, the average 30-year fixed loan prices are around 8%. So with a down payment of 20%, the average monthly payment would go around $2,528, which is insane for an average American. Thirdly, on a website, niop.org, there are not enough skilled people in the construction industry that also increase the prices of the house and construction. Now that I have gone over the potential problems of the expensive housing market, I'll move towards the causes behind these problems. So, the main cause behind these problems are irresponsible and unaccountable use of land and resources. There are hundreds of acres of land that are used by developers to developing these new societies. Secondly, these developers use these new lands for their development and they are increasing the size of the cities, indirectly using a lot of extra resources, or let's call unnecessary resources, and that definitely bring the prices of the houses higher. Lastly, there are no laws at the place or in the place that can prevent this, that can prevent the sizes, the extension of the cities, or the population that can live in a city. Now that I have gone over the causes, I'll move toward the potential solution. On a large scale solution, according to a website, sciencedirect.com, the cooperative urban development model in Germany is a very effective model to support affordable housing. So we can get inspiration from that model and we can propose this model to our government and ask them to build new cities that are limited to only 5 miles square, 5 miles square area. So everything will be included in these 5 square miles, and the city is only consist of apartment buildings. In this city, 500,000 people can live. And this way, we will be able to limit the city sizes and we can manage these cities betterly. If the population grows, the government will build new cities to meet the demand. On a small scale or personal scale actions, everyone should go to commoncause.org and write a letter to lawmakers and propose this model and ask them to make laws that can prevent the unlimited expansion of these cities and the population. In conclusion, today I have gone over the problems of expensive housing societies or expensive housing in the United States, the cause behind those problems, and I have proposed the potential solution for this problem. Finally, we must do something. Everyone must do something. So everyone in United States of America can own his own house and live the American dream. Thanks.